I said that we are going to buy at least $100 worth of grocery. And yep, we were able to buy $100 worth. Actually, it's lesser than $100. It's still early in the afternoon and it's so windy. That's why we are all covered up. Look at Kay right now. She's all covered up also. And we are going to Costco for a grocery, and we are going to fit $100 at Costco, and Costco is over there. We are on our way already, but it's just too cold right now. It's windy, and then also I think it feels like -6 or 7, and yeah, so we'll try to fit the $100 because we're going to try to buy meat and then veggies as well at Costco, and we'll see what will fit in our $100. Okay. So we're already done here at Costco, and we are going to the car now. It's just so cold. That's why we are in our hoodie. Oh my god. I don't know what's the weather already, but so it is 1 degree when I checked, and feels like -9 before we got inside. Before we got inside Costco. But and then it feels like -9. So you may be wondering why I am carrying a bag and not the cart, because we parked here. We parked afar from Costco. We didn't park along the premises of Costco for fitness purposes. So that's why we are parked. Maybe this is around 1 kilometer away, more or less. Oh, I guess it's more or less 1 kilometer away. Now, so I'm going to show you later on what we bought, but just later when we get home. All right, so we are home now, and as what I've said, it is here at home that I am going to show you what we bought at Costco. Okay, so I said that we are going to buy at least $100 worth of grocery, and yep, we were able to buy $100 worth. Actually, it's lesser than $100. It's only $96.83. So these are all purely groceries, and there is no tax. So if you can see here, if you can't see it properly, I will put it somewhere here or here. Okay, I'll just put it here. I'll take a picture of this and then I'll put it here. So a total of $96.83. So what are these items? This is a pack of broccoli, and this is worth $13.49. So there's no discount on this one. I haven't seen anything yet, or I haven't seen this one yet, which is on discount. Next is the chicken parmesan. So we got tempted with this one for 2 reasons. One is it was on sale. The cost is $14.99, but it's on sale. It's $3 less, so it became $11.99. Second reason is, of course, you know Costco, they always have these free taste wherever you go, and then it smelled so good. Actually, we weren't able. We don't want to buy it anymore because we can just buy this somewhere. But then it smells so good. It tastes so good. So we bought it for only $11.99. Pack of chicken. This is the cost of this is $17.66, and they have a promotion, or they have a discount of less $5 per pack. So per kilo, this is the chicken drumsticks per kilo is worth $6.99. So estimate that is around $7 per kilo. And this is at 2.527 kilograms. The sliced pork belly. The sliced pork belly is $25.21. This doesn't have any discount. We bought it. We bought this because I am going to make adobo or humba. Per kilogram is $11.49. That's the price, and this is around 2.194 kilograms. The items are just here below. My back is aching. Shrimps, it's this one. It says here raw shrimp. Or I don't know how to pronounce this in French, but it says crevettes clouées. I don't know if it's pronounced that way. So this pack has 4 bags, and then each bag is around shrimp per pound 31.4, but as far as I could remember, it is 4 pounds here. 4 pounds per 454 grams per bag. It's just so clear. Wow, read. Yep, so total of 1.82, and the cost of this one is 25.99, and again, this is on sale. So less $6. It's already 19.99, or let's just say it's already $20. And last but not the least, unfortunately, this is not on sale, but this is our favorite stir fry veggies. I would greatly recommend this because it's so good. I mean, I think this is the best one that I could recommend when it comes to vegetables at Costco, because it's so crunchy. It's just like it's chopped after after this chop harvested, then it's chopped, then it was frozen, and this is only $13.49. So the weight of this is 2.5 kilograms. So total of $96.83. So there is no tax because all of these are all groceries.